The first few questions in this homework are going to be about water. You will want to remember to look at and take note of the properties and structure of water. Because water is a polar molecule, and because it can form hydrogen bonds with itself as well as other polar molecules, it has some unique properties which are addressed in the homework. Here are 3 hints that will help you with the rest of the homework. 1. The first thing that you want to ask yourself is if the 2 atoms are going to form a covalent or ionic bond. Remember that ionic bonds are going to be made by combining atoms that are found on the far left and far right sides of the periodic table. If both atoms come from the right side of the periodic table, then it has a higher chance of forming a covalent bond. 2. Remember that a valence shell has the ability to have 8 electrons in it. This will help you determine how many bonds an atom is likely to make. And 3. Don't forget that atoms can share more than one set of electrons when making a double bond. Now, let's use oxygen as a quick example. Now, oxygen is found over here, and it is on the right side of the periodic table. This means that it will likely make a covalent bond. Oxygen has 6 electrons in its outer shell, and to complete its valence shell, it will need 2 more to make a complete valence shell of 8 electrons. We know an atom can share more than one set of electrons, and oxygen will share 2 pairs of electrons with another oxygen atom. Knowing all of this information, you should be able to draw something that looks a little bit like this when you are finished. You'll start with your 2 oxygens, which will bond with 2 double bonds in the middle that will create your oxygen gas.